They your mittens?
It's my mittens.
Oh, this looks promising. Isn't that beautiful?
It's so beautiful. What else is in there? What else?
Look at that.
And it's chewed up.
Says Hello Kitty visits Grandma.
Chewed.
I'm guessing Fergus got to it.
What else is in here? I'll get your shirt just like I wanted.
Oh, look at that.
I'll get your shirt just like I wanted. And then I'll get your shirt just like I wanted to.
That's pretty silly. His mouth opens. Okay.
That's it.
All right. Well, can you hold up the other shirt so I can see it?
Monster Jack.
Let's see.
Muppet soundtrack.
Oh, that's definitely for me. Definitely for me. Oh, come on. I'm teasing you.
No, that was a joke.
Let's see the other shirt. See you later, alligator.
See you later. See you out. See you alligator.
And what do you say?